So recently I just got a lot of new makeup and new skincare. Honestly, if you haven't been keeping up with the new skincare that I have bought, clean towel sheets, and there's always my LED ones. That's recently all I've bought for like skincare purpose. Recently what I bought for makeup, because I keep seeing this all over the place. This NARS Radiant Foundation and the Huda Beauty Concealer. The foundation is in the shade Vienna, and then the concealer is in Nougat 2.5. I don't know what that means. I don't even know if I'm saying this right. We'll figure it out later. Usually I'm like a NARS concealer girly. Or I used to use my Born This Way Too Faced concealer, like the little Shape Tape tube. But I haven't really been feeling that lately, and neither has my skin. So yeah, now we're on the foundation wave, which I usually never use foundation either. I just got all new makeup from Ipsy, and I don't know if you've seen like if any of you guys follow me on TikTok. If you don't, you should. Oh, and I also got this. This is in the shade Fair. I'm actually gonna use this too. I feel like I also don't really know how to use this. But it's okay, because makeup is like kind of like a learning process. And you wanna know what I just realized? I'm trying to do my makeup and you guys are propped up on my makeup stand. I don't know why I feel like I'm never really that good at makeup. I just kind of do the same thing every day, and like even when I get new products, I still do the same exact thing all of the time. And I'm trying to like learn new stuff. I actually really do love this stuff though. It makes you so glowy underneath anything. Really so glowy. Just ordered like so much makeup. Not even that I ordered so much makeup. I just feel like I have a lot of makeup and I don't really use a lot of it. So like, I don't know, I think it would be cute to like give my cousin some, my aunt some stuff, because I don't really use it and it kind of just like sits in my drawer. If you have Ipsy, you know, like that stuff kind of just like piles up, especially when you're not paying attention to like the stuff that you're picking, because not everything is always going to be your favorite, you know? My drawer kind of looks like a bomb window, so I figured today would be a perfect day to like organize my makeup, do the whole nut. I feel like I never really used foundation like before this. Like I remember in high school, I used to use the Fit Me foundation, and then out of nowhere, I got into like the French beauty technique of like the concealer only makeup. I don't know, I just liked it ever since. I feel the concealer is definitely, I mean, what is this? Oh, the foundation's definitely cool too. I never know how to properly put on foundation. Like, what do? Do you use a beauty blender? Do you use a brush? I see some people use a brush, but every time I personally use a brush, I always get lines, and I don't really like that. I'm supposed to use a stiff brush. Like, these are the brushes I have right now. Not all of them are clean, but I don't know. I think the only brush that I have for foundation would be this IT Cosmetics brush that's like really going through it and should be in the garbage like ages ago. Ultimate blending brush. I don't know. I really don't know how to do makeup. I just have what I have. I'm just gonna use the beauty blender. Whatever. It is what it is. I also love the Mary Phillip technique, like the contouring underneath your foundation. I have done that even with like the concealer, and it really makes a difference. I feel like it's just like the perfect undercoat to your makeup. That's probably like the only thing that I follow. I try and follow like a lot of celebrity makeup artists, but I feel like when I do it on my skin, it like just doesn't look the same. Maybe because I don't use the right amount of pressure, maybe the right brushes, maybe I'm mixing wrong products. Who the fuck knows? But it honestly bothers me so bad because I'm trying to get like that baddie glam like bad. And I want it. I feel like my makeup does come out nice like when I go out, but I feel like there's always more that you can do. Like actually, that's the foundation. I know the foundation is like a little bit light compared to like my skin. One, it's winter, and two, I feel like everything you could just bronze it up. Now concealer. I actually really love this concealer. Like I love that it's just, I also seen on TikTok that it's good to like set your makeup with a pressed powder. I do have this, but look at how yellow it is. This girl, I feel like you can't even tell how yellow she is, but she's very yellow. So I feel like I don't want to use her. Instead, I'm just gonna use the loose powder, and we're gonna act like I set my face with a pressed powder. A little bronzer. I actually really need a new bronzer, like bad. All this makeup and I still need a new bronzer, still need more makeup. Is actually insane. I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and then I'll show you guys one, the finished look, and two, the rest of my makeup, because We need to organize this stuff. Like, this is actually insane. I even let it get this bad. And I just keep getting more stuff. Like, you know how it is. It just shows up. Especially Ipsy. Just forget because she's like a monthly sub. I'm finally done with my makeup. This is the finished look.
Would you like a receipt?
Few days later and I got another Ipsy bag. Got this IGK dry shampoo, this Rem Beauty eyeshadow palette, another eyebrow pencil, new brushes, the Tarte, I think this is a highlight, Fenty lip gloss, new Benefit highlighter, restock of my polish choice, and I'm gonna try this hydrating, I guess this seems like SPF or maybe even a moisturizer, I don't know. A Laneige lip gloss, I think this is actually a chapstick, I don't know. And another restock on my Dermalogica exfoliator. And now to put everything away.